Look at this concrete slab here on the beach. All the swell's washed out below, it's sunk down. We're gonna fill the voids, we're gonna lift it up a little bit, get it level again. We're gonna do some void fill along the front. We're gonna fill these voids underneath here, drill a couple of holes in the back, fill it up from inside out. And this corner of the slab here, we're just gonna do some void filling. You can see there's a nice big void underneath. It hasn't sunk much, but there's a big void. So, all right, let's get started. Look at that. Go boy, it's going the wrong way, Eric. So we're getting super lift out of this, Eric. You're doing good. It's just sunk. We've got some relief on the right there. There you can see how far this material is actually spread out that way behind Eric. So we've covered this whole area. Yeah, there was obviously a bit of a void there, which the material's flown that way. So that's good. We've already got probably an inch of lift here. Oh yeah, wow, I can see it just with my eyes. Oh boy, this is a fantastic job today. All right, stop. There's some more relief foam for you, Jack. Dude, that was awesome. Dude, that is unbelievable. Well done. Now that's what I like. This is the perfect job. Okay, here it comes, crawling through the bushes. All right, Eric, good job, dude. Good job. That's like a 2-inch lift there already.
Oh, here we go.
Okay, stop, Eric. Huh? Just leave it, Eric. You make it worse when it's sloppy. You should know better by now.
Wow.
There it comes. Whoop, there it is. There, Eric.
Did that raise that up?
Oh, big time. It did like 5 spins, dude. There it comes. It's lifting beautifully, Eric. Wait for that to set up and go again. Yep, it's spinning. All right, stop. There is some more relief. All right, Eric, let's move on. That lift was fantastic. We're doing it piece by piece. That one went really well there. This one came up perfectly. I'm going to try and figure out where the next crack is. I can't see. There's no telltale sign. So I'm not going to go too far that side. I'm rather just going to drill a hole here so we can focus on getting this section up here. There it comes. Careful, Jack. You shot yourself. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's lifting. Okay. There it comes, pushing out nicely. That's good, Eric. That's set up a bit. It's pushing out that side as well. It's looking good. Bob's your uncle on the beach. Look at the view of my office today, man. Can't complain about my life. Keep going, keep going. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Whoa, all right, stop. So that was perfect. We got this slab up. You can see we got a bunch of relief on the outside, foam pushed out from inside. We got that perfect there, so that came up. We started on that side, this side now, and now we're going to do this end. We're rock and rolling on this job. This has really turned out very well. There's actually less of a void underneath than I thought, and the concrete slab's in very good condition. So I'm happy. We're not going to get any lift here. I don't really want lift, but I want to fill the voids. Okay, stop. That's set up, that's very good. That's very nice, I like it. Whoop-ah, there it blows.
It's okay.
All right.
Comes with the territory.
You warned him. Awesome. Well, let's fill that corner up nicely there. So yeah, we're just void filling. We don't want to lift this because it's level, so we're just void filling, but I got to monitor the micrometers, the micrometers to make sure we're not getting lift yet. It's been filling the voids perfectly. It's filling from outside in, which means the foam's spreading back if there are any voids, which we can't detect or see right now, but the foam's moving back and then pushing forward. Okay. Hold on, Eric, before you pull out there. Okay. All right. So that's filled up nicely, Eric. Next one. You're right. There we go. Foam and that, right. So that's why we're going to drill there. That's why Eric's busy foaming there. It's just to fill those voids out. It's been void filling along this front section. We lifted the slabs going further back to get lift, but there were still voids in front, so now I've pre-drilled holes about a foot from the front, which means we'll push the foam forward, filling up the voids.
So Eric has just been foaming until some relief comes out?
Yep. So that's all Eric's been doing now, is just foaming until he gets some relief and then stops, which means the voids are full. But I want to see if I can get a little bit of lift here. This is still a bit low, yeah. Okay, stop. So there's the relief now. So now we'll wait for a couple of seconds, let it block off the path of least resistance, localize it there, and see if we can get some lift on this front end. Nice. Now I'm not going to shoot from the side because Eric's done such a fabulous job from there.
Sounds with wasted shit.
Okay, stop. All right, so we got this corner lifted up so perfectly. You can see a bit of relief foam there. We drilled a couple of holes. This came up about 2.5 inches. It wasn't level. Now it's very close to level, but still enough for the water to flow off. We then jumped over to this side here. You can see same thing. We drilled holes back here to get maximum lift. We got this to lift up perfectly with that. The track did expose itself under the pebble paving, which we then leveled out. We got that up also, that about 2 inches. This we got up about 1 inch. That was where it should be, only needed a void fill. So we didn't lift anything there. We got this up about 1 inch. And if you need any concrete repairs in the Florida area, give us a call at the number below. And if you enjoyed this video, watch this one here.